Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you trade on other pairs, then do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel as well for the analysis of other pairs like GBP USD, Gold USD, GBP JPY, and many more. So let's get started. So Euro USD standing at a very critical position, and as you can see that Euro USD is going down. If you have been watching my videos or if you have watched my previous videos, then you know the setup very well. We have a very strong resistance around 1.1480, and we have a support around 1.1280 to 1.1265. Okay, this was the support for us, but right now, as you can see, the market is under pressure here. Okay, and it looks like that Euro USD is in pressure, and at any given point of time Euro USD will break the support and go down. Why this happened? Because of this. As we all know, the market is very volatile for the last couple of days because of the tension between Russia and Ukraine, and the intensity of the tension is increasing day by day. There are recent developments like news came out that satellite images show new developments within 16 kilometers. Ukraine declares emergency. So due to these developments, we can see huge up move on gold right now and US dollar also. On the other hand, pressure on euro. Things are very critical right now. So whatever you do, my dear friends, please follow proper risk management in this time, because see, this is your hard-earned money. It's your duty to protect it. Market will be back to normal after a couple of weeks, but when the market will be normal, you should be having your capital with you, isn't it? Anyways, before I proceed, I would like to take you to this. My dear friends, these are few Telegram groups in my name. I would like to mention that these are not my channels, these are all scams. I do not have any Telegram group or channel by the name The Trader Next Door. Please stay away. I have been um, seeing these groups taking money from people, thousands of dollars, in the name of investment. If you visit their page, you'll see that invest $300. Okay, they will give you a return of $3,000. Invest $500, they will give a return of $5,000. My dear friend, I don't know any such tricks also. Okay, and please stay away. Anyways, let's talk about the charts then. First of all, this market is extremely bearish today, and if you look at the currency strength meter, we can see USD is on a stronger side, JPY is on a stronger side, and as we know, gold is also flying right now. Whenever there is a crisis in the world, gold always goes up. JPY is also a safe haven currency. US dollar is also a safe haven currency. As a result, they are on the up move right now. See, gold is trading at 1825 right now. My God. Okay. Hmm. Though we have a resistance at DXY, okay, this is a chart of DXY here. Though we have a resistance at DXY around this level, but the present intensity on the US dollar is extremely high, and there is a good possibility that DXY will be breaking the resistance and going up, because as I have always been saying that two factors drive the market: fundamentals and technicals. But whenever we see fundamentals against the technicals, fundamentals always win. This is a news driven market, so obviously do not rely much on the support and resistance level, because nothing will work right now. At any point you'll see market breaking the resistance, going up. At any given point you'll see market breaking the support and going down, because this market is extremely heavily news sensitive. Though DXY is standing at resistance, but I don't think so that DXY will be able to hold. If this intensity continues in the market, by the end of the day, you'll see market going up. And on the other hand, if somehow this level succeeds in maintaining it, the resistance here, then obviously you will see some correction, some recovery on the chart of Euro USD. But as of now, things are not very good. So please keep your eyes on the chart, and most importantly, keep in touch with the news. Okay, because news is driving the market right now. And if you look at the chart of Euro USD here, then see Euro USD is trending in a very critical position. This is the support for Euro USD now. Okay. And if DXY somehow reverses, or if that particular level of 96.4050 somehow succeeds in holding the resistance, then you will see some recovery. Otherwise, if market breaks the resistance, starts going up, then obviously Euro USD will also break the support and go down, and you can take a sell position as well. Euro is weak today. See, this is our beloved Euro. Euro is weak today, so as a result, I will not recommend any buy call for today. If you have been trading, if you have been trading, yeah, scalping Euro USD for some time, um, then you can take a buy position if it bounces from here, from this present level. But if you are a new trader, my dear friend, even if you see that Euro USD is trying to bounce, do not buy position, do not take any buy position, because buying and in this position is risky. Okay, in case some news comes out that no, tension is cooling off, and if you see that Euro is recovering, at that particular point of time you can take a buy position. But as of now, tension is there, so do not take buy position. I think that there is a good possibility of Euro USD breaking the support and going down. If it happens, you can take a sell position. But keep in mind, whatever you do, follow strict risk management. Do not risk more than 1 to 2% of your trading capital. Usually I see 2 to 3, but in this market condition, risking 1% is sufficient enough, because market is going nowhere. Okay, market is going nowhere. Okay, so you must protect your capital right now. So keep your eyes on this level. I think there is a high possibility of market breaking the support and going down. In case after the meeting something good happens, good news comes out, then we may see some recovery. But as of now, as long as the tension remains, selling is the best opportunity here. Okay, bye bye, and keep your eyes on DXY also. It's also in a very critical level. Bye bye.